Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic, how to use AI for better grades. This is the ultimate guide for all you teens out there looking to boost your academic performance using the power of artificial intelligence. We're talking next-level study hacks here, people. AI is changing the game in pretty much every field, and education is no exception. So if you're ready to unlock your full academic potential, you definitely want to stick around for this one. We'll be covering everything from AI-powered homework help to smart study schedules and exam prep tools. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, so let's kick things off by talking about the elephant in the room, or should I say the AI in the classroom. We're seeing a massive shift in how education works, and AI is right at the center of it all. Think about it. Remember those days of flipping through dusty textbooks and spending hours in the library? AI is changing all that. We're talking personalized learning experiences, instant feedback on your work, and access to a world of information right at your fingertips. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI taking over education? Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But hold on. It's not about robots replacing teachers or anything like that. It's about giving teachers superpowers and making learning more engaging and effective for students. Imagine this. You're struggling with a particular math concept. Instead of getting lost in a sea of textbooks, AI can create personalized lessons tailored to your learning style. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. And it's not just about personalized learning. AI can also help teachers identify students who might be falling behind and provide them with extra support. It's all about creating a more inclusive and supportive learning environment for everyone. But let's be real. AI in education isn't just about making things easier. It's about preparing you for a future where AI is going to be everywhere. By learning about AI and how to use it effectively, you're gaining valuable skills that will give you a serious edge in the job market. So whether you're aiming for straight A's or just want to make the most of your education, understanding the role of AI is crucial. It's time to embrace the future of learning and unlock your full potential. Okay, let's get real for a second. We've all been there, staring at a mountain of homework, feeling completely overwhelmed. But what if I told you that AI could be your secret weapon to conquer those late-night study sessions? I'm talking about AI-powered homework help tools that can answer your questions, explain complex concepts, and even help you write better essays. These tools are like having a personal tutor on speed dial, ready to assist you whenever you hit a roadblock. One of the coolest things about these AI homework helpers is their ability to provide instant feedback. Imagine writing an essay and getting real-time suggestions for grammar, style, and even plagiarism. That's the power of AI at your fingertips. But it's not just about getting the right answers. AI can also help you understand the why behind the what. Let's say you're struggling with a physics problem. AI can break down the problem step by step, explaining the concepts involved and showing you different ways to solve it. And the best part? These AI tools are constantly learning and improving. The more you use them, the better they get at understanding your strengths and weaknesses, providing you with even more personalized support. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, isn't this just cheating? But here's the thing. It's all about how you use these tools. Think of them as a supplement to your learning, not a replacement for actually doing the work. The key is to use AI homework help responsibly. Don't just copy and paste answers. Use these tools to understand the concepts, improve your skills, and become a more independent learner. Let's be honest, research can be a real drag sometimes. Sifting through endless articles, journals, and websites can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if I told you that AI could transform you into a research ninja, capable of finding exactly what you need in a flash? We're talking about AI-powered research tools that can analyze massive amounts of data, identify relevant sources, and even summarize key findings for you. It's like having a personal research assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes, making sure you have the information you need to ace that paper or presentation. One of the coolest things about these AI research tools is their ability to understand natural language. That means you can type in your research question just like you would ask a human, and the AI will do the heavy lifting of finding the most relevant information. But it gets even better. AI can also help you filter through all those search results and identify the most credible and trustworthy sources. No more wasting time on biased websites or outdated information. AI can help you cut through the noise and get straight to the good stuff. And if you're worried about missing out on important details, don't be. AI-powered research tools can often summarize key findings from multiple sources, giving you a concise overview of the topic at hand. It's like having a super-powered Cliff's Notes for all your research needs. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about plagiarism? That's a valid concern, but many AI research tools come equipped with plagiarism checkers, so you can be sure your work is original. The bottom line is this: AI can be an incredibly powerful tool for research, helping you save time, find the best information, and ultimately, produce higher quality work. So why not embrace the future of research and let AI be your guide? Let's face it, juggling school, homework, extracurriculars, and a social life can feel like a full-time job. Finding the time to do it all can be a real struggle. But what if I told you that AI could be your secret weapon for conquering procrastination and unlocking peak productivity? We're talking about AI-powered time management apps that can analyze your schedule, identify time-wasting activities, and help you create a personalized plan for success. It's like having a personal productivity guru, guiding you towards a more organized and efficient life. One of the coolest things about these AI time management tools is their ability to learn your habits and preferences. The more you use them, the better they get at predicting how long tasks will take you and suggesting the optimal time to tackle them. Imagine this: you open your AI time management app, and it automatically suggests the best time to study for your upcoming history test, based on your current workload, energy levels, and even the weather outside. That's the power of AI personalization. But it's not just about scheduling. AI can also help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Many AI time management apps come equipped with features that block distracting websites and apps, so you can stay laser-focused on the task at hand. And if you're struggling with procrastination, AI can help with that too. Some AI time management apps use gamification techniques to make completing tasks more engaging and rewarding. It's like turning your to-do list into a game you actually want to win. The bottom line is this: AI can be a game changer for time management, helping you take control of your schedule, boost your productivity, and ultimately achieve your goals. So why not embrace the power of AI and unlock your full potential? Alright, let's talk exams. We all know they can be stressful, but what if I told you that AI could be your secret weapon for acing those tests and achieving exam domination? We're not talking about cheating or taking shortcuts here, but rather using the power of AI to study smarter, not harder. Imagine this: you're prepping for a big history exam. Instead of just rereading your textbook for the 100th time, you use an AI-powered study tool that creates personalized flashcards, quizzes, and practice tests based on your specific strengths and weaknesses. These AI-powered study tools can analyze your past performance, identify areas where you need to focus, and even predict the types of questions you're most likely to see on the exam. It's like having a personal exam coach guiding you towards success. But it's not just about memorizing facts and figures. AI can also help you develop a deeper understanding of the material. Some AI-powered study tools use interactive simulations and visualizations to make complex concepts easier to grasp. And if you're struggling with test-taking anxiety, AI can help with that too. Some AI-powered study tools offer guided meditation and relaxation exercises to help you stay calm and focused on exam day. But here's the thing: AI is just a tool. It's up to you to put in the work and use it effectively. Don't expect AI to magically download knowledge into your brain. You still need to engage with the material, ask questions, and actively participate in the learning process. The key is to use AI as a supplement to your existing study habits. Combine the power of AI with traditional study techniques like note-taking, concept mapping, and group study sessions for maximum impact. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.